Today we're diving into the dynamic world of business management software with a head-to-head comparison of two industry giants, Honeybook and 17 Hats. These platforms are your go-to solution for streamlining workflows, managing projects, and conquering the administrative challenges that comes with running a business. We'll explore 5 key aspects: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and possible alternatives. Let's go.
Let's take a look at these programs' main features. Honeybook features include client management. Honeybook excels in client management, offering an intuitive interface for communication and collaboration. Automations. Honeybook boasts robust automation tools, simplifying repetitive tasks and saving valuable time. Templates. Honeybook provides a vast library of customizable templates for proposals, contracts, and invoices. Payment processing. With seamless payment integration, users can effortlessly manage transactions within the platform. 17 Hats features include all-in-one solution. 17 Hats positions itself as an all-in-one solution, combining features for CRM, bookkeeping, and project management. Workflow automation. Users benefit from extensive workflow automation capabilities, ensuring a smooth and organized process. Task management. 17 Hats emphasizes task management, allowing users to track and prioritize assignments efficiently. Communication tools. 17 Hats offers communication tools, streamlining interactions with clients and collaborators.
When it comes to pricing, Honeybook and 17 Hats adopt different strategies. Honeybook offers a straightforward subscription model at $40 per month, while 17 Hats provides tiered plans starting at $25 a month and more feature-rich plans going up to $45 per month. Each platform tailors its pricing to different business needs, so it's essential to weigh the features against your requirements. In terms of user experiences, Honeybook is praised for its sleek design and user-friendly interface, providing an enjoyable experience for creatives and service-based businesses alike. On the other hand, 17 Hats, while functional, might have a steeper learning curve due to its extensive feature set. Users should consider their preferences and the complexity of their needs when choosing between the two. Honeybook excels in offering an elegant user experience tailored for creative professionals, boasting streamlined client management and robust payment processing. However, it comes with a relatively higher price tag. On the other hand, 17 Hats positions itself as an all-in-one solution, providing extensive automation, competitive pricing for basic needs, and a feature-rich plan. Yet, it may have a steeper learning curve and may offer more features than is necessary.
If neither Honeybook or 17 Hats aligns with your business vision, alternatives worth exploring include FreshBooks for simplified invoicing and QuickBooks for comprehensive financial management.
In conclusion, we see that choosing between Honeybook and 17 Hats really does just depend on your business's specific needs. Honeybook shines in elegant simplicity, making it the ideal choice for creative professionals, while 17 Hats provides an all-encompassing solution for those seeking automation and feature depth.
Don't forget to check out our detailed reviews on each platform for more easy internet tips. Thanks for watching.